Good morning. We're going to quickly run through all the USD pairs, yeah? Now, we're going to look at the DXY first, okay? Quickly. If I go to the daily on the DXY, what's has happened? Well, DXY has come down and taken out the prior two wave, potential prior two wave, okay? Right here. It's a bearish indication, yeah? As you can see, we've come down below that line, yeah? Now, the reason why I have this fib here drawn is because we've got basically I'm viewing this down coming down potentially as a correction. It could be a correction on the daily to then go higher. But at the end of the day, look, we have this 5 wave move that came into supply, okay, and prices started dropping down. We've had that fractal break, and all the way down to here we've broken structure. But now that's a pivotal point, yeah. That the very last demand in this whole leg up, yeah, is right at the bottom. Okay, so when I'm looking at this structure coming down, I get 1, 2, 1, 2, or A, B, C, yeah. Regardless of that, I'm looking at a 5 wave move down in here. If I jump to the daily, okay, you can see price, you can see forms of a diag happening. All right, let me get rid of my alerts. Okay, currently I've got these two black lines here drawn, yeah. I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What this is, what's coming down here to me is not done. It's not finished. Now if we had a big move above here, say a close up in this area, or move up and then definitely bullish, yeah. On a 4-hour, yeah, that would be bullish. I've seen this so many times though, yeah. And look at what we got down here as well. Look. Equal lows, yeah. I see this as equal lows, especially when they're in, we've got this 4-hour candle here with no wick. On a smaller time frame, that's equal lows, yeah. It happens to be in the direction that I'm looking for price to trade to. Okay. So that's giving me more confidence, all right? This is the previous supply zone right here. This supply zone is the supply zone that's in control right now as well. So if this supply zone is taken out, bullish, yeah. We got a 1, 2, 3, a 4, and a B, C, and 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This. I expect this to distribute. Okay, I think we're at the highest point right now, and at this point, price is gonna go down, take this low, take this up, and take this low. Okay, well at least we could, want to be in the, if you're scalping, to take out that low. The moment this low goes, it sells for the DXY. So I had my alert there and I had one here because I don't expect price to take out this high, but one of these highs is going to go at least, and then I'm expecting price to turn around and drop. Now I'm going to look at in EMAs, right? We've come back above the 50 EMA. Here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see this as corrective. Okay, I do see this as corrective. here's my corrective channel. As you can see, the relevance of the channel here. Price came as price came up, price came down here. It came out the channel a bit, left us equal lows. See, now you can even see on the hour time frame, yeah, between this candle's wick and this candle's low, we got equal lows, and over here we got equal lows. This is a clear area. I definitely expect price to run before taking out this high. I wouldn't be surprised, look, if we might get this, a nip of the high. That I can see that happening as well, okay? But I do not expect price to get a strong close above it or to leave, you know, that area to the upside. So I'm definitely watching this low. To be honest with you, if I see, say, something on a smaller time frame, like the 5 minute, hasn't really given us no structure. It's still that same low. But, you know, right currently, I'm looking for something like this. You know, price comes up and breaks a low in this area before even we get to this low. I could be taking a trade. I just need to see liquidity grabbed, and evidence of a fractal shift, even on the 1 minute, will do for me. Yeah. So evidence of a fractal shift after grabbing liquidity. So right now, this would work for me. Say we came up, made a little low, came up, took that, and took that low. I'm selling from there. Okay. I'm just waiting for a grab of liquidity and then a fractal shift, and I'm expecting that low and that low to go off the back of it. Yeah, not even just that. I'm expecting price to go a lot lower. All right, this is my corrective channel. Reach the top side of it. We could just go down. We could grab these highs and go down, or we could grab this high and go down. We could even manipulate the high and go down. I'm not too, I don't really think we're going to manipulate that high. We can, but I just don't think that's what's going to happen now. I think we're going to maybe manipulate this high, and then we're going down. All right, that's the dollar index, right? We're looking at the AUDUSD right now. AUDUSD, I think this, let me see where the prior 454. So similar area here as the DXY, and I'm expecting price for here. The price could go up because we swiped. Let's go to the daily. Let's start right there. Okay. Look at what AUDUSD has done. We've come up, we swiped that low, and we've come down. Okay. I still see this clearly as a 1, but potentially we've got A, B, C in the 2, and then go higher. So this low could, you know, be taken in something like this. Okay. I'm seeing that. That's what I'm seeing on the chart currently. Yeah. The potential for it to do that. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So still bullish, but coming down. And we've done most of the down move. Yeah. And you know what? That goes, it kind of goes in line with the DXY, where DXY I'm expecting a push up to come down. Here I'm expecting a push down to come up. Now, after seeing this and this accumulation and this breaker structure, I don't think I'd actually be happy to see price take out this low now. We came into that OB. You can see we accumulated. Yeah, we came down into here the first time, tried to send man up, made a doji, grabbed both sides of the doji, came low, took out the initial low. So the early buyers got taken out, pulled up, and then we're stabbing the lows, and breaking structure to the upside. We chop price down, and let me check the TDI over here. Below the 50 static, so it's either we're chucking it down or we're gonna come back and reclaim the 50 static as well as the 50 EMA and stuff. Yeah, have a look on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so it's not a surprise we're getting this sideways movement because we got the psychological high here, the psychological low here. Price is going to choose a direction. Okay, I think that direction is up. I think that direction is up. I think I'm seeing signs of a leading ending diagonal in here as well. We skipped this imbalance, yeah, pretended we was leaving from it and came down. Since then, we've just been spiking the lows, inducing, spiking the. I've seen this so many times. A break of this high is bullish. And we might not even be swiping no lows. News in 2 hours. I see something like this. I see us like, making our way up to here. And then we could come down on something, waiting for news. Then a break, retrace, continuation. Something along those lines. But the low of the day could be in right now. We're probably, we're outside of the volatility bands, the Bollinger Bands. We're close to the 30 on the TDI, which is oversold conditions. Hold on, we got bullish divergence. Not yet. It appears to. It looks like it might be forming. We've got it on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, this low was taken out by this low, so we made a lower low. Here we made that lower, then we made a higher low right here, a higher low. We're coming from outside of the volatility band, came above the signal line, and we've gone sideways. This just looks like it's going to pop up. Okay, only thing I'm trying to figure out right now as we go down time frames is, are we going to quickly manipulate this low and then go up, or are we going to straight go up? That's all that's all I'm thinking about right now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, or 3. One of these lows is 3. I know if I pull out the fib, it's not going to help me too much because I can see that's a very extended third wave. We would have passed 1618 already. Alexa,
this
stop.
Is a reminder.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. All right. Don't know what she was gonna say. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. See the fib extension suggests that the 3 ended here, and that little push up is our 4. I don't like the 4th wave being one candle as opposed to thing. I'm thinking potentially 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, I prefer this as the 4. This 4 suits this 2 a lot more, and then that means that's my 3, and that's my 4 again. Yep, you know exactly why I love this count as well. I've seen this so many times, man.
Exercise ring closed.
Right, look, because when we get 3, 4, 5, making this 3, yeah. The next 4th wave goes to the territory of the prior 4th wave in Elliott Wave, yeah. So I even did the count wrong. It goes like this. Then I get the next one. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking for 5. Okay. Okay. That's my count. That's my count. I've got strong belief in this account. Okay. Now I don't think 5 is finished. I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4 comes into 1. Yeah, because this is my 1 here. 2, 3, 4. We got some kind of ending diagonal. All right. So what I'm looking for is this. That's what I'm looking for on AUDUSD, alright? I'm looking for this on AUDUSD. And on the DXY, I'm looking for the opposite, which makes sense. Something along those lines, yeah? Makes perfect sense. And I'll be expecting something like, see what we're looking at on AUDUSD here? I'll be expecting something similar on the pound, the euro, and NZDUSD. I'll be expecting some kind of manipulation lower and a breaker structure to the upside, okay? People are, I think, are going to be thinking, yeah, all right, cool. We're coming down now. You know, we've done this big move. We're coming down all the way down. I don't think so. I was initially, when it was on a higher time frame, thinking this low would go. I'm doubting that now. I'm doubting that now, and I'm thinking we'll make it a little low, but then we're going up. All right. So yeah, that's the analysis on USD. I'm literally, I believe we're at the point of turn around. It's literally we either come up and take this, or we manipulate the flow. Let me put this in there. All right. You have to understand, if we take out this high right now, doesn't make me bullish. Okay. This black line here, because we can do this. Yeah. We could do that. So after a move down below here, after, so whether we come up and take this high first or not, okay, it doesn't matter. I need to see price go below this low, then take out this black line, and I'm happy to enter that trade there with the belief it's going to come and take out all of these highs, including this high. Yeah, so that's the trading plan for AUDUSD right now. That's exactly my trading plan for AUDUSD right now. Only other thing is, if I'm wrong and the low is in, it's either we get a sustained break above there, or price development might help me find another way I can jump in. But because I'm pretty sure that we're going to be taking out the low first, I'm not really worried about that. Okay, even so, look, see here, get price closing up in this region is an indication that we might take out that high first, but I don't think that's going to happen. I'm happy to put an alert here even, because if this alert goes off, as long as we've, swiped some local highs first, that's it. I'm expecting this to come down there. And now look what we got as well to complement it. We got no wick on that candle, yeah? Relative equal lows on this candle. That's it. That's it. So you get it, okay? Quickly flick onto the 4 hour. Let's go to EURUSD. Okay. EURUSD's been acting a fool. Forex, just I want to clear a chart. Okay. You can see the count. Euro looks like it could make us more of a move down than AUDUSD. But remember, we know what the DXY is doing. There's my channel. Just from this, I'm thinking this already. I'm already thinking that. I believe something along the lines of that's gonna happen. That's a 5-wave move. So theoretically, we could have finished the 3 here. It could be here that the 3 is finished, and we could be looking for a 4th wave. Well, that's the prior 4th wave. If we're still bullish, this is where I expect price to come to and then go higher for the 5th wave. We have spent a lot of time in this area. I mean, that 4th wave was last week. tomorrow will be a week that we're in this range. So yeah, corrective price action stays within parallel lines. I've drawn it from what I believe is the A to the B over here, and you know the channel doesn't have to be precise, but I'm gonna get it a bit more precise. Which one is my B? Oh, excellent. I can get them both there like that. Pull this down a tiny bit. You see how it confluences? Look, those lines match up neatly. These two wicks as well match up neatly against the line. We pierce the low, fake higher. I just see it coming down again before going up. And just at that level, look at what we got here. Okay, we have tapped into this. And I don't expect to take out its low. So it's either this, it's either I move down into this area, reserve the low, come up and break the high, or we take that low into that order block, come back up and take the high. So that's my analysis for EURUSD. Don't forget we got news at 12:30, I believe. That's correct. GBPUSD. Okay. You can see the count. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 valid, but just the way it's come up here and come down, it just looks like all of this is a liquidity zone. We got that trend line liquidity. Yeah, there. That's trend line liquidity. None of these highs swiped the high before it. Alright, in here you kind of got this green candle and we went above that, came down, but there's no liquidation of the highs. Yeah, it just looks like we've got A, B, C type behavior coming down into the demand, some kind of a push up. I should have a channel on there to be real. Let's just quickly go down the time frame because that's corrective price action to me. I don't know if I'm including this high. I think I am. It's not going to make too much of a difference. So I could be drawing this like this, yeah? If I was taking that on board, I'd be drawing this whole thing. I think there's a chance I'll probably want to do this. These channels are so helpful, okay? You're literally going to draw what you believe is your A wave or a impulsive move down if you're not, trading Elliott Wave yet. And then you're going to, I'll show you, beginning of A, end of A, to the end of its retracement, yeah? Or move down, get the top and the bottom of it. And so the move down where it retraced to, get the top, start of the move where it retraced to, pull it down to the end of the first move. Okay, which in Elliott Wave, that's the A to the B, forms this channel. You can see how price is contained inside the channel. You can see how it pokes out of it, comes up, pokes out of it, comes up, because it knows that people that know about the geometric trade price movements, they see price come out of here, they want to sell. They see price come out of here, they want to buy. So they trick it as well. I'm taking a long time, aren't I? Okay, so look, 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So could be done, but I'm of the impression we're getting some kind of upside pressure. We're going up. We've come down. We seem to be accumulating. I just check the 15-minute time frame. looks like we got a W formation already right here for the beat the market maker traders. We have a W formation over here. Like this, okay. Above the 50, right. Easy for me now, okay. A break across there, above there is a buy, okay. Then stop loss goes below that low if that is the low. So basically, if we make another low and then break it, you put your stop loss beneath the new low, or you could just simply put your stop loss below any of these lows. A break of that high, and ain't that yesterday's Newsweek? We ain't even took out yesterday's Newsweek yet on the pound. Oh, that's good. So that's an easy first target, yeah. That's an easy first target. Trying to see a sensible next target. Give us a second. Okay, we tapped this first line. Nearly. I think we'll take that out. I want to see. I just wondering if we're gonna take that one out. If we take out this line, don't be surprised if we just retrace down deep, because this is a major supply zone, a major 4-hour and daily supply zone. That will activate a lot of buyers, breakout buyers, and the market may want to shake them out. We do have news at 12:30, so we're gonna see how they deal with this. But yeah, that really and truly is my analysis on pound USD. You know, somewhere up in here, maybe take out this high, definitely take out this high, and this is the correction. The low is most likely in already. A break of there, definite buy for me. NZDUSD. Right, we've broken that fractal news wick high and come down deep. The prior fourth wave, so this could all be a 1. All of this could be a 1, all of this could be a 2. And looking for a third wave up. Let me just start from the 4-hour. So on the bigger time frame, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is what I said could all be a 1, this could all be a 2, then we can get a 3, 4, 5 to complete the purple fifth wave. I'm gonna be back. Hello? Hi.